Hello everyone. So let's continue the story of Anita. So in previous video she had completed her schooling and she wanted to get higher education. So she got admission in high school, okay, in higher classes, and then she got admission in college. And now she is doing her college. She is completing her college education. So in Anita's village, in Anita's area, there are more number of lychee trees, okay, and lychee trees are more in number in that area, and we know that lychee trees flower have more nectar. So this flower attracts the bees very easily. So in that area, most of the people used to do beekeeping, okay, and another name of beekeeping is apiculture. Apiculture is a process to rear the bees for honey, for getting honey from the bees, okay. On the board also it is written beekeeping, or in another words apiculture. Apiculture is rearing bees for honey. So in that area most of the people used to do beekeeping. So Anita also wanted to do that beekeeping. So before that she joined a course run by the government to learn so many things about the beekeeping, okay. So during her training she learned so many things about the beekeeping, okay, and she learned that this bees lay their eggs in the month of October to December, about some plants of that area, that lychee tree gives flower in the February month, and what things are important to rear the bees, okay, what things are required to rear the bees. This all things she learn in this course, okay, run by the government, in this beekeeping course. And then she started beekeeping. So first she started this beekeeping with two boxes, okay, and this all things she managed uh, by the continuing her tuition classes which she has started when she was doing her schooling, okay. So by taking tuition classes she collected 5,000 rupees, and from 5,000 rupees she bought two boxes, one boxes of 2,000 rupees, okay. So she bought two boxes from that money, and she bought some medicines to clean the beehive. She bought some uh, sugar syrup, okay, for bees. So the thing which were required to rear the bees, this all things she purchased, okay, and she started this beekeeping with two boxes, okay. And this all things was not easy for her, okay. First time she was doing this thing, and in that this apiculture, in this beekeeping, she got so many problems, okay. Like most of the time bees can sting the any body parts of people, okay. So that this Anita also got stung by the bees, okay, and she got so many times she got swelling on her body. So this whole things was not easy for her. So like this she continued, and later she, after this all things, she got from one boxes, after doing this all hard work, she got from 12 kg honey from one boxes, okay. And 12 kg honey from one boxes, and like that she continued this work for long time, and now in that she has 20 boxes. So from one boxes she is getting 12 kg. So she did hard work in that apiculture, in this beekeeping, and she was succeed that she collected 20 boxes, and she is keeping bees for getting honey, okay. So the main aim of Anita was to become a wholesaler, okay. So what she can help the people, okay, who is producing these things. She can help the she wanted to help the farmer to get farmer or this beekeeper to get correct price for this honey. That's why she wanted to become a wholesaler, and we know that wholesaler means the people who buy the things from the people who produce this thing. Like here also it is written wholesale means the people who buy things from the people who produce that thing, like farmer or beekeeper. Okay, so here she wanted to become a wholesaler. So that's what happens in wholesaler. Say buy the things from the main person, means producer, okay, who is producing, who is keeping bees and getting honey and selling the wholesaler. So that wholesalers buy that thing in very low price, and they sell that same honey to different shops or to in different markets in a very high price. So the people who is producing that honey, means the actual people who is producing, they are not getting their correct price. Okay, they are not getting correct price of their hard work. So that's why she wanted to become a wholesaler. So then whenever she will become wholesaler, then she will buy this honey from that people in a correct price. Okay, how much hard work they did in that beekeeping. Okay, so that much right amount she wanted to give them, and she wanted to collect that honey, and she wanted to sell that honey into different shop in correct price. Okay, means no cheating anywhere. So like that she did this all thing from childhood to uh, this elder, when she grown up. Okay, that time. So from this lesson we can learn so many things. First we learn about the honeys, okay, about the honeybees, okay, about the honey. And from this story also we should learn so many things. We should get motivate, okay, we should get motivation from this Anita's story, that if we have any aim or we have any goal in our life, then we should do hard work to achieve that. Okay, in our to achieving that, so we will get so many problems, we will face so many problems, but we should not get fear of that problem. We should fight with that problem, then easily we will then definitely we will achieve our goal, and after achieving we will feel so happy. Once if you faced a problem and you decided to fight with that problem, after fighting with that problem will become so little in front of you, it will be like a negligible in front of you. So uh, make some aim in your life. Okay, decide what you want to do. Okay, uh, show some interest in anything, in whatever you can do very easily. Okay, in which you have more interest. So make one aim related to that thing, and do hard work. Okay, and try to complete that, and in that you will feel so many problems, but don't get afraid of that thing, and try to face that problem, try to fight with that problem. So definitely everything will be become easy one time with for you. Okay, so from this story, and in Anita from in childhood, she felt so many problems, like in that time girls were not allowed to do so many things, है ना, whatever she did, and she showed to everyone. But now we have